Hi dear friends, welcome back to my channel. Today my topic is this machine, LG brand commercial type washing machine. This machine actually all the machine having beeper, otherwise buzzer noise. With this machine also we can cancel, otherwise we can keep if it is buzzering always, it's very loudly. At that time it's very irritating. Because of that we can cancel the buzzer noise, otherwise beep noise. We can select the low, otherwise we can select the high. Now today my topic is how to select the buzzer option. That's mean 3 option: low, high and off process. In this machine, how to do that I will show you now. We will go to the next step. Now I already given power connection. Now I will show you how to do that buzzer, otherwise beeper, how to select or cancel. Now I'm going to, this is the setup mode. You know about this machine, this is the setup mode. Now first of all we have to press the hot button. After that it will appear setup. It will show TEST. After that I have to press cool or warm button. One button I have to press. At the same time it will appear here setup. Until setup we have to press. Here again it came setup mode. Now I have to press start button. Now you can see after pressing start button it show R9 PR. After that I have to press again cool or warm until appear beep. Now I'm pressing, it's coming until appear beep. I have to press again I have to press until appear beep. Now you can see here beep, it is already came. Now I have to press again start button. Here it's already came high. Now again if you need high mode you can press again start. If you don't like high we have to press again warm or cool. It is low, otherwise off. Now I'm keeping here whatever your requirement. You can keep low or otherwise high, otherwise off. Now I'm keeping actually high option. After that I will press again start button. At the same time it will appear REFR. Now it is already selected. Now this again it will go automatically next option. Now this is the way how to select buzzer, otherwise beeper, on off or high or low. Now I think you know how to do that. Again we will meet with another video very shortly.